Thank you, my lord. My lord, we wait for our colleague, Advocate Baloy, or he's here. Thank you. So, General, if you can remember, we'll go back to the transcribed record, General, but there are some, issues that I want to find out from you. If you can remember, General, for how long have you known Constable Zungu before you met him around March 2019?
At some point in 2016, when I came back from the province, I found him at the cluster level.
Ingabe ngesikhathi uhlangana naye kuConstable Zungu ngo2019 okunesikhathi esingakanani umazi ngesikhathi ke lapho na ke ngo2016 engahlangana naye khona ke uma mina sengibuyela ke sona uma ngibuya kuyona ke eprovince ngahlangana naye ngo2016.
He was doing social crime prevention at the cluster level by that time.
Ngaleso sikhathi leso ke wayenza umsebenzi wokugwema ke noma ke okuvimba ukuvikela umphakathi ke kubolelesi.
So, for how long have you met him? Sorry, not met. For how long have you known him before you met him in 2019 when he came to you with the information?
No, I know him on when I arrived there 2016, and thereafter I saw him in 2019 because he was transferred back to the station when I was still there in the cluster level. So from there everything was quiet. We never spoke about anything until he came to 2019, informed me about Gwabini.
Okwenzeka ke ngahlangana naye ngo2016 kunesikhathi ke lapho abuyiselwa futhi ke epolice station ukuthi ke ayisebenza estation ukusuka ngaleso sikhathi ke akuzange kube nalutho esihlanganisayo kwaze kwa u2019 esezongitshela ke ngaye uZungu.
Your worship, I forgot to yeah. Sorry, my lord. No, I forgot to. No, it's jammed. My lord switched off. Sorry for that. Okay.
So, General, would I be correct to say that you have known him for a period of about 4 years?
I cannot say 4 years because I say that when I came back from province, I found him there. Later on, short time was transferred back to the station.
Angeke ngithi ke iminyaka emine ngoba njengoba ngisho ke ukuthi mangibuya ke kuprovince ngamthola lapho kwaba isikhathi nje esifishane wabe esebuyiselwa ke futhi estation.
So you also told this court, General, that the police members under the visible policing do not wear police uniform.
Yeah, no visible policing, they wear police uniform.
Ke lamaphoyisa ke abizwa ngokuthi ke i-Vispol bayagqoka ke umfaniswano noma ke i-uniform.
And the detectives, they are wearing private clothes.
Kube ke abaseshi ke phecelezi ke ama-detectives ekuyibona ke abayigqokela ke ezabo impahla.
So at the time that you knew him, that is Constable Zungu, he would wear a police uniform.
Yes, my lord.
Ngesikhathi ke omazi ngaso uConstable Zungu wayegqoka ke i-uniform yamaphoyisa yebo Nkosi yenkantolo.
That is throughout the time that he was on duty, he was supposed to wear a police uniform.
Yes, my lord.
Ukuthi ke ngaso sonke isikhathi ayisemsebenzini ngaso wayefanele ukuthi ke uyayigqoka i-uniform yebo Nkosi yenkantolo.
Even on Sundays, in instances where he's supposed to report on duty on a Sunday, he will wear a police uniform.
Yes, my lord.
Noma ke kungesonto lapho na ke kufanele ukuthi ngalelo sonto lelo ke abe semsebenzini kufanele ukuthi ugqoke uniform. Yebo Nkosi yenkantolo.
At the time when he used to come see you, General, will he wear a uniform or he will be in his private clothing?
I will be in uniform because he will always be on duty. He was in uniform.
Ngesikhathi ke awayeza ngaso ezokubona ngabe wayeza egqoke iuniform noma ke egqokele ezakhe impahla wayeza ke egqoke iuniform ngoba ke wayeza ngeinkathi la khona ke wayesemsebenzini.
General, we will then revert back to the record. If I captured your evidence very well, General, you told this court that Constable Zungu never told you that at some point he was in the company of the accused, the 5 accused at Fostoras Basutwini Hostel. He never
Yes.
told you that.
Yes, my lord.
Uma ngikuzwela kahle ubufakazi bakho noma ngibulandela kahle ubufakazi bakho ushilo ukuthi akaze akutshele uConstable Zungu ukuthi ke waye ndawonye nabasolwa ke labo bahlali baphambi kwenkantolo eBasuthu Hostel eFostoras. Yebo Nkosi yenkantolo.
Constable Zungu, General, in the proceedings of the 7th of September 2023 at page 4 of the transcribed record, he told this court at line 4,
Page 4.
page 4, line 4 of the transcribed record of the 7th of September 2023. He told this court that is the evidence of Mr. Zungu. Mr. Zungu is Constable Zungu. Yes, if I remember well, I received a call in the morning from Kwabeni, who is my son, but he is my brother's son, Mr. Baloyi. What is the surname, Mr. Zungu? Zungu, Mr. Baloyi, yes. And where does he stay? Mr. Zungu, in Fostoras. Mr. Baloyi, where in Fostoras? Mr. Zungu, Soto Hostel. Did Constable Zungu, when he met you in 2019, inform you that he had received a call from Kwabeni?
No, he never told me, my lord.
Advocate uma ufunda ke ubufakazi bange 7 September 2023 ufundeka ngalendlela ke umntana uZungu ushiwo yena ke uConstable Zungu. Yebo, uma ngikhumbula kahle ngathola ucingo ekseni olwalubuya kuGwabini oyindodana yami kodwa ke uyindodana yomfowethu Advocate Baloyi isibongo sakhe Mr. Uzungu Mr. Baloyi futhi yebo uhlala kuphi uZungu mayiphendula eFostoras kuphi nendawo eFostoras Suthu Hostel. Manje ke umbuzo kaadvocate uthi ke ingabe wakutshela yini ke uConstable Zungu General ukuthi wathola ucingo olubuya kuGwabeni? Cha, akaze angitshele.
At page 4, the last line, Mr. Zungu, okay, he invited me to come to Fostoras. It proceeds on page 5. I told him that it was still early because it was around 7:15, and that on that day I was still going to work. I then informed him that when I knock off from work, I will then be able to go see him. Close quotation. Did he tell you this?
No, my lord.
Lana ke maqhubeka ke la enzansi uZungu kulungile ke wase engimema ke ukuthi angize eFostoras ngamtshela ke ukuthi ke kwakusesekuseni ke ngoba ke kwakuse u7 ngalelo langa lelo nokuthi futhi ngalelo langa lelo kwakusafanele ngiye emsebenzini ngase ngimtshela ke ukuthi uma ngabe ngiphuma emsebenzini ngizoza kuyena. Ingabe wakutshela yini uZungu lokho? Cha Nkosi. So uConstable Zungu cha Nkosi yenkantolo.
It proceeds, Mr. Zungu, I called me again and informed me there was another brother of ours, Makosonke from Rustenburg. He informed me that Makosonke will also be joining us. Mr. Baloyi, yes, you may proceed. I informed me that once I knocked off, I will also call him. He then sent me Makosonke's contact details. Did he tell you this, General?
No, my lord.
Iyaqhubeka ke ufundela ngendlela ebhalwe ngayo ngafonela ke noma ngafona ngamtshela mina ukuthi ke kwakunomunye umfowethu uMakhosonke obuya eRustenburg wangitshela ukuthi uMakhosonke naye ke wayezohlanganyela nathi ke Mr. Baloyi ungaqhubeka. Ngamtshela ukuthi uma ngabe sengishayisa-ke ngizoxhumana naye. Wase engithumela-ke iy'namba zakhe uMakhosonke. Ingabe wakutshela yini lokho General? Cha.
Mr. Jonas, I'm just reading the record as it is. There is grammatic
Yes, I see it. I see
error.
it.
Yeah, so I'm just reading the record verbatim.
I see it.
At line 10, Mr. Zungu, I informed me that once I knock off, I will also call him. He then sent me Makosonke's contact details. Mr. Baloyi, yes. And who is Makosonke? Mr. Zungu is also a relative of ours. Mr. Baloyi, what is his surname, Mr. Zungu? Zungu. Did he tell you this, General?
No, my lord.
Yebo ubanike ngoba ke ngatshela mina ukuthi ke uma sengibuye phuma ke emsebenzini ngizothi ke ngixhumane naye wase ngithumela ke ama contact details phecelezi ke ama number akhe uMakhosonke. Mr. Baloyi, yebo ubani uMakhosonke? Zungu uyisihlobo kuthina ngabe ubani ngabe wakutshela yini uZungu lokhu? Cha Nkosi engatolakaza ngitshele.
At line 21 of the proceedings of the 7th of September 2023 at page 5, it reads as follows. Mr. Zungu, I called him. He informed me that he was at Johannesburg at the Carlton Center. That is where I will find him. Mr. Baloyi, yes. Mr. Zungu. I went there and I found him. We sat there and we ate. And then Kwabeni phoned or called at that time asking about our whereabouts. And I informed Kwabeni that we are on our way. If I remember well, we then went to Phosphorus. There was no other place where we went to when we depart from there. Did he tell you this, General?
No, my lord.
Iyaqhubeka ke ufakazi bakhe uConstable Zungu ngase ngixhumana naye ke wangitshela ukuthi ke wayesegoli eCarlton Center yilapho engizomthola khona Mr. Baloyi, yebo ngaya ke khona lapho ngamthola sahlala ke lapho sadla wase uGwabeni ke engifonela ngaleso sikhathi noma ke efona ke ngaleso sikhathi ebuza ke ukuthi sikuphi nendawo ngamtshela uGwabeni ukuthi ke siyeza noma ke sisendleleni uma ngikhumbula kahle ke saya ePhosphorus ayikho enye indawo esaya kuyona uma sisuka lapho. Ingabe wakutshela yini lokhu? Cha.
Mr. Baloyi, yes, we're in Phosphorus at Mr. Zungu at the hostel. Mr. Baloyi, yes, which one? Mr. Zungu, Soto Hostel. Mr. Baloyi, what time did you arrive there? Mr. Zungu, between 2 and 3. I will not be able to remember the exact time. Did he tell you this, General?
No, my lord.
Mr. Baloyi, yebo kuphi nendawo ePhosphorus? Hostel, yebo yiphi ihostel? Mr. Zungu, Sutu Hostel. Mr. Baloyi, ngasiphi isikhathi noma isiphi isikhathi enafika ngaso lapho uZungu phakathi ko2 no3 kodwa ngeke ngisisho ke isikhathi ekuyisona sona.
General,
Ingaba wakutshela yini lokhu? Cha akazange ngitshele.
General, where a member of the visible policing is allocated a vehicle, the state vehicle, what will happen to the vehicle after he had knocked off duty? Do you know?
It depends whether there is any job to be done after hours. Normally, if there is that job, they will give them permission to drive the vehicle home.
Kwenzekani ke ngemoto uma ngabe ke ilunga ke leVispol li seliqedile ke ukusebenza kwenzekani ngemoto yomsebenzi? Kuya ngokuthi ke ngabe ukhona yini umsebenzi kufanele ukuthi wenziwe ke emuva kwalokho. Uma ukhona ke bazomnikeza imvume yokuthi imoto ahambe nayo aye nayo ekhaya.
Example, when they are going to have some community meeting after hours.
Mhlambe ke uma ngabe asithi nje kuzoba ke nomhlangano emphakathini emuva kokuthi esephumileke emsebenzini.
But in instances where that journey is for private
No,
and
if
personal,
it's private, totally no. Only if there is official duties and with permission. Without permission, you can't drive the vehicle home.
Cha ukuthi ke uzoyisebenzisela nje okuwokwakho noma uyisebenzisela wena lokho ke akuvumelekile futhi ke imvume ingekho awukwazi ke ukuthi ke ungahamba nayo ke imoto leyo uma ngabe imvume ungayitholile.
We'll proceed, General, from the record. At page 7 of the transcribed record of the 7th of September 2023, at line 18, Mr. Zungu. No, before that, maybe I must start at line 15, Mr. Zungu. There were many of them, but Muzi was there. Mr. Baloyi, yes, just refer to them in numbers, just to avoid. Mr. Zungu, accused 1 was there, accused 2 was there, accused 3 was there, accused 5 was there upon my arrival. Close quotation. So here, General, Constable Zungu is saying that upon arrival with Makosonke Zungu at Basutwini Hostel, he found at the hostel accused number 1, Mr. Sibiya, Moses Sibiya, accused number 2, Bongani Sandi Sontanzi, and accused number 3, Mr. Ngube, and accused number 5, Mr. Ntuli. Upon his arrival at the hostel, did he tell you this?
No, my lord.
Yaqhubeka ke ubufakazi ke ku page 7. Babe baningi ke kodwa ke umuzi wayekhona advocate Baloyi yebo kodwa ke ngicela ubasho ke ngamanamba abo ke uZungu accuse umsolo wokuqala wayekhona, umsolo wesibili wayekhona, umsolo wesithathu wayekhona, umsolo wesihlanu wayekhona uma ngifika. Manje ke kubufakazi lobo bukaZungu ke General uyasho ke ukuthi ngesikhathi ke efika eBasuthu Hostel eFosloras umsolo wokuqala uMoses Sibiya wayekhona, umsolo wesibili uBongani Sandi Sontanzi wayekhona, umsolo wesithathu uMnumzana Ngcobo wayekhona, umsolo wesihlanu uMnumzana Ntuli wayekhona. Ingaba wakutshela yini lokhu? Cha, Nkosi yenkantolo azange angitshele.
Proceedings of the 7th of September 2023 at page 8, line 3 of the transcribed records, Mr. Zungu. Okay, because I could not remember all of them because I was not staying in the villages back home. I was staying somewhere else. Kwabeni will then remind me, this is so and so, and this one's name is so and so. Okay, if I remember well, the person or people that he reminded me of was Gada and Mafiga, but the person that I knew very well was Mozi. Did he tell you this, General?
No, my lord.
Uyaqhubeka ke ku page 8 ubufakazi bange 7 kuSeptember 2023. Nomzana uZungu kulungile ke ngoba ke ngangingabakhumbuli bonke ngoba ngangingahlali ke emakhaya, ngangihlala ke kwenye indawo. Ugwabeni kwakuba uyena ke umuntu ongikhumbuzayo ukuthi lona ke ubani, angitsheleke negama la lona ukuthi ubani. Kulungile ke uma ngikhumbula kahle umuntu noma abantu angikhumbuza bona ngokwendlela ke ebhaliwe ngayo lana uGaza noMafika, kodwa ke umuntu engangimazi kahle kwakuwumuzi. Ingaba wakutshela yini lokhu General? Cha, akaze angitshela.
He also told this court at line 19 of the proceedings of 7 September 2023, line 9, Mr. Baloyi, yes, what type of vehicle was he driving? Line 20, Mr. Zungu, it was a grey Polo hatchback. In this passage, he was testifying to the effect that accused number 5 was driving a Polo hatchback on that day. Did he tell you this, General?
No, my lord.
Page?
Page 9. Line 19.
Okay. Lana ke advocate Baloyi uyabuza ke ingabe wayibona yini ke imoto eyayishayelwa ke umsolwa owesihlanu ngalelo langa? Yebo ngayibona, kwakuyimoto enjani ke wayeshayela ke iPolo eyayigrey kuyi hatchback. Ingabe wakutshela yini ke lokho? Cha, akazange ngitshele.
At page 10 of the transcribed record of the 7th of September 2023, line 1, Mr. Zungu, the other incident that I remember, it was the time when Gani had already left We were seated there with the others, and we had now run out of liquor. And we drove an Uno that I think was red, Mr. Baloyi. If you say we, who are you referring to, Mr. Zungu? If I remember correctly, it was accused 2, accused 3, and the other one was the driver of the vehicle. We went to Tops. There was a certain shopping center there. The others, if I remember well, they bought liquor. We then went back to the hostel. Did he tell you this, General?
No, my lord.
Qhubeka-ke ku page 10 mnumzana uZungu. Esinye sehlakalo ngesikhumbulayo ke kwakungesikhathi la khona ke unkani wayesehambile sasihlezi ke lapho kanye nabanye nokuthi futhi ke esasiphuza ke noma ke utshwala ke babusebuphelile sahamba nge Uno engicabanga ukuthi yayibomvu nomzana Baloyi uma ngabe uthi thina usho obani noma ukhuluma ngobani uma ngikhumbula kahle kwakuwumsolo wesibili umsolo wesithathu kanye futhi ke omunye kwakuwumshayeli ke wemoto sahamba saya eTops kwakunendawo thizeni ke lapho phecelezi ke i-shopping center abanye uma ngikhumbula kahle bathenga utshwala sabuyela ke ehostel ingabe wakutshela yini lokhu cha Nkosi enkantolo.
The proceedings of the 7th of September 2023, page 10, line 19. Sorry, line 15. Mr. Baloyi, yes. We just want to show you certain photos, if you can see, if you can use those photos to illustrate your evidence, Mr. Zungu, yes. It is, Mr. Baloyi, it is Exhibit S, photo 47 and photo 48. I'm sorry, pages 47 and 48. Yes, you can also look at the screen if you want to. Can you just explain your evidence using those photos, Mr. Zungu? I can confirm that it is the vehicle that we were traveling in, Mr. Baloyi. On which page, Mr. Zungu? It continues on page 11 of the proceedings of the 7th of September 2023, Mr. Zungu. Page 47, Mr. Baloyi, yes. Did he tell you, General,
No,
that,
my lord.
about this?
No, my lord.
Uyaqhubeka-ke ubufakazi uyaqhubeka-ke lana ku line 15 yebo-ke kusho Mr. Baloyi sifisa nje ukuthi sikutshengiseke iy'thombe uma ungasebenzisa iy'thombe lezo-ke ukuchaza-ke ubufakazi bakho uZungu yebo exhibit S iy'thombe u47 kanye no48 ngiyaxolisa upage 47 no48 yebo-ke ungabuka-ke nakwi-screen uma ufisa kanjalo-ke ungachaza-ke ubufakazi bakho usebenzisa zona iy'thombe lezo uZungu ngingaqinisekisa-ke ukuthi iyona imoto esasihamba ngayo uyabuza-ke ubaba Baloyi kuyiphi ipage uZungu upage 47 Mr. Baloyi yebo ingabe wakutshela yini-ke lokhu General? Cha akazangitshele.
On page 11 of the proceedings of the 7th of September 2023, at line 3, interpreter, on this picture, the witness is pointing to photo 47. The person that is cut, that does not appear. He says that I think that is me.
Lana-ke ku-page, uma siqhubeka-ke ku-page 11, kubhalwe-ke laphayana uTolika. Kulesi sithombe lesi, ufakazi ukhomba isithombe u47, umuntu-ke laphayana-ke okhathiweke noma-ke osikiweke, ongabonakali, noma-ke ongaveli, uthi-ke ucabanga ukuthi-ke uyena.
General, did Constable Zungu, when you met him, inform you that at some point he had taken pictures or photos with some of the accused?
No, my lord.
Ngesikhathi uhlangana naye ngabe wakutshela yini ukuthi-ke wathwebula iy'thombe-ke nabanye babasolwa? Cha Nkosi enkantolo.
From the understanding of the evidence, General, there is no way where Constable Zungu had stopped after departing the Carlton Center in Johannesburg until he arrived at the Basotweni hostel with Makosonke Zungu. Do you understand that, General?
Yes, my lord.
Ingabuya kuzwa-ke lokhu ukuthi-ke kubufakazi lobu-ke ngokusho kwakho uZungu akukho la amakhona-ke ngemoto ukusukela-ke ngesikhathi awathatha ngaso uMakhosonke Zungu eCarlton Center bahamba baya eFosloras. Yebo ngiyakuzwa lokho.
Your evidence, General, is to the effect that the police officers under the visible policing, when they are on duty, they are supposed to be in full uniform. Is that
Ye-
correct?
Yes, my lord.
Ubufakazi bakho ke General ukuthi uma ngabe ke iphoyisa ke elisebenza ngaphansi kwayo ke iVispol lisemsebenzini kufanele ukuthi ke umuntu afake umfaliswano wesiphoyisa. Yebo Nkosi enkantolo.
The, the person, General, that Constable Zungu says it is him on that photo in Exhibit S at page 47 was wearing private uniform whilst on duty. Was he allowed to do that?
He was not allowed, but it depends on whether that day in question he was given a permission to work outside. But if he was not given a permission, he's not allowed to be there.
Umuntu lona akakhuluma ngayo kulesiya sithombe ke uConstable Zungu ke wayengafakileke umfaniswano wesiphoyisa ingabe wayevumelekile yini kuya ngokuthi ke wayevunyelwe yini ke ukuthi ke asebenze ngaphandle ke kodwa uma kuukuthi ke wayengenayo ke imvume akavumelekile
But for private purposes, no, my lord.
kodwa ke nje umsebenzi ukuzenzela ke lokho azenzela kona okuwokwakhe cha akuvumelekile.
So he never told you that at some point he had taken photos with the accused person?
No, my lord.
Akaze nje akutshela ukuthi wathobela izithombe nabanye babasolwa cha Nkosi enkantolo.
At page 14 of the proceedings of the 7th of September 2023, at line 18, Mr. Zungu, accused 1, 2, and 3 came in following each other. It was quite clear, or they were showing that they were in shock and they were fast going towards Kwabeni's room. I stood up and followed them. When I went inside Kwabeni's room, the light went off. Did he tell you this, General?
No, my lord.
Lana ke ku page 14 lana umnumzana uZungu noma uConstable Zungu umsolo wokuqala owesibili nowesithathu bangena belandelelana kwakucaceleke ukuthi ke babethukileke nokuthi futhi ke babeshesha beya ke egumbini lakhe uGwabini ngasukuma ngabalandela uma ngena phakathi ke kwigumbi likaGwabini isibane sacishwa.
At page 17.
Ingabe wakutshela yini lokho General cha akazangitshela.
At page 17 of the proceedings of the 7th of September 2023, at line 14, Mr. Zungu, when I looked at them, both Gadla and Muzi were carrying firearms. They were in possession of firearms. Mafiga was the only one who was not carrying a firearm. Did he tell you this, General?
No, my lord.
Lana ke ku page 17 uZungu uma ngibabuka ke bobabili uGadla noMuzi babephethe ibhamu umafika kuphela ke owayengasiphethe isibhamu ingaba wakutshela yini lokho General cha akazangitshela.
At line 21, Mr. Zungu, accused 1 and 3, accused 1 was carrying a firearm, a .38 revolver, and accused number 3 was in possession of a 9mm. Did he tell you this, General?
No, my lord.
Sisaqhubeka ke ku page 17 umsolo wokuqala nowesibili umsolo wokuqala nowesithathu umsolo wokuqala wayephethe i.38 revolver umsolo wesithathu wayephethe i9mm ingaba wakutshela yini lokho General cha.
At line 25 of the proceedings of the 7th of September 2023 at page 17, Mr. Zungu, I then inquired from Kwabeni because it proceeds at page 18. Because Kwabeni was already inside the house, I then asked him about my firearm. He gave it to me. He just bent on the other side and took it out and gave it to me. I then released the magazine. Did he tell you this, General?
No, my lord.
Qhubeka ke kuyena ke page 17 ngase ngibuza ke uGwabeni ngoba ke uGwabeni wayese ngaphakathi ke ngase ngimcela ke noma ngimbuza ngesam isibhamu wanginikeza ke wagcoba njena ke kolunye uhlangothi wase enginikeza sona ke ngase ngikhipha imagazini ingaba wakutshela yini lokho cha Nkosi enkantolo.
Do members of the visible policing general carry service firearms? The state firearms, do they carry state firearms?
Yeah, sometimes they carry the state firearms even after hours.
Ingaba ke amalunga ke eVispol ayahamba yini ke nesibhamu somsebenzi yebo bayahamba naso ke ngezinye inkathi ke nasemuva ke ukuthi sebeshayisileke noma sebephumile emsebenzini.
General, what is the law regarding the possession of firearms when the firearm is not in your person, where the police officer must keep it if it is not in his person?
The fire must be always in your possession, and no one must carry that firearm except you personally.
Isibhamu ke noma umthetho uthi ke isibhamu kufanele ngaso sonke isikhathi sibe kuwena ke akekho omunye umuntu ovumelekile ukuthi ke isibhamu leso sibe kuyena noma siphathe sifanele ukuthi sibe kuwena.
At page 20 of the proceedings of the 7th of September 2023, Mr. Zungu, I believe him, but also I thought that he was just carrying this because he was doing this, and then is when he said that bring these firearms here or give these firearms here. I carried on and shouting at him. Still at that, I then heard that the door opening behind me. Accused 5 came in. If I remember well, he was wearing a black jacket. He then asked Kwabeni that, what is it? Is there a problem? Then Kwabeni said that there was no issues. And then he requested me and said, Uncle, but when you came in, he was in the company of accused number 4. Did he tell you this, General?
No, my lord.
Yaqhubeka ke kuyena ke upage 20 uZungu ngamkholwa kodwa ke ngacabanga ukuthi wayekusho nje lokhu ngoba wayekwenza lokhu yilapho ke khona ke ngathi ke nake letha ibhamu lezi noma nginikeze ke ibhamu lezi ngaqhubeka ke ngimthethisa kuse kulokho ke ngezwa ke isicapha sivuleka ngasemuva kwami umsola wesihlanu wangena uma ngikhumbula kahle wayeqoke ijaketi elimnyama wasebuza ke kuGwabeni yini ikhona yini ngabe ikhona yini inkinga waseke uGwabeni ethi cha akunankinga wasengicela ke ethi babomncane kodwa ke wangena futhi wayehamba nomsolwa wesine ingabe wakutshela yini lokho cha Nkosi yenkantolo.
At page 27 of the proceedings of the 7th of September 2023, Mr. Zungu,
Page
27.
okay sorry yes
At line 7, Mr. Zungu, the manner in which I could see it because I was talking and I could see that it was not there, and when he gave it back to me, he also conveyed his gratefulness. In the manner he said it, my lord, it showed that he was being respectful because he made use of both his hands, clapping his hand like this. So in this instance, General, it was to the effect that at some point the vehicle keys, that is the state vehicle keys, had gone missing, and accused number 4, Mr. Mapisa, brought those keys, and when he brought the keys, he clapped his hands together, showing his gratefulness. Did he tell you this, General?
No, my lord.
Yaqhubeka ke lana ubufakazi bakhe uZungu ufundeka ngalendlela indlela ke engabona ngayo ingoba ke ngoba ngangikhuluma ngibona futhi ke ukuthi kwakungezazi ingekho lapho wase enginikeza zona ke wase futhi ke esho nokuthi ke uyabonga nendlela ke akusho ngayo Nkosi yenkantolo ekhombisa ke inhlonipho ngoba ke wayesebenzisa izandla zakhe zoyimbili ke noma ephaphatha izandla zakhe kanjena lana ke generally okukhulunywa lana ke ukuthi ke kunesikhathi la khona ke ikhiya zemoto ke yombuso le ayihamba ngayo Constable Zungu zazingabonakali ubufakazi bakhe ke uZungu uthi ke umsola wesine wase emnikeza ke ikhiya esho nokuthi uyabonga ingabe wakusho yini kuwena lokho cha Nkosi yenkantolo.
At page 30 of the same date, the 7th of September 2023, Mr. Zungu, I then left, and also dropped Mozi in some streets inside there. He pointed out to me as to where he was staying, Mr. Maloi, and that is accused number, Mr. Zungu, accused number 1. So, General, did Constable Zungu tell you that it's after they had been, or when they were leaving the Basutwini hostel, he left with accused number 1?
No, my lord.
Kuyaqhubeka ke ku page 30 mnumzana uZungu ngase ngihamba ke ila engadiliza khona ke umuzi kwistrata thizeni lapho ke uyena owangikhombisa ke ukuthi uhlala kuphi. Mnumzana uBaloyi umsolwa wesingaki loyo, Zungu umsolwa wokuqala. Ingabe lokhu ke wakutshela ke yini uConstable Zungu cha Nkosi yenkantolo?
At page 31 of the same date, the 7th of September 2023, at line 12, Mr. Zung, it was then the following day, I think it was the Tuesday, in one of the newspapers, I looked at the pictures that were there, and as I read it, I saw that it was alleged, or it was said, that there were two suspects that came in. The other one was wearing some black, the other one had dreadlocks. Did he tell you this, General?
No, my lord.
Qhubeka ke ku page 31 uZungu kwakuyilanga elilandelayo ngicabanga ukuthi ke kwangolwesibili kwelinye ke lamaphephandaba ngabuka ke izithombe ezazilapho nanjengoba ngangifunda ke ngabona ukuthi ke kwakusolwa ke noma kuneyintsolo ke lapho ukuthi kwathiwa ukuthi kwakunamasolo ababili abangena, omunye wayegqoke ke okwakumnyama, omunye ke wayenamarasta phecelezi ke ama dreadlocks. Ingaba wakutshela yini lokhu General? Cha akaze angitshele.
At line 19, on the same page, 31 of the same date, the 7th of September 2023, Mr. Zungu. Thereafter it came back to me that I saw these people. I then once again did not take it seriously. I just thought that it was just something that I saw and it just passed. Did he tell you this, General?
No, my lord.
Yaqhubeka ke kuyona le page lena emuva ke kwase kubuya ke kumina ke ukuthi ke labantu laba ngababona, ngiphindile futhi ke akwaba into engiyithathela ke ekhanda, ngayicabangela nje ukuthi ke kwakuyinto nje engayibona ngayidlulisa. Ingaba wakutshela yini lokhu General? Cha Nkosi yenkantolo.
At page 32 of the proceedings of the 7th of September 2023, line 16, Mr. Zungu. Mustache, and that made me to look at accused 2 and said that this person that has been described here resembles him, although I would not say that exactly because the description resembles him. Did he tell you this, General?
No, my lord.
Iyaqhubeka ke ku page 32 kodwa yona ke intshebe ukuthi lokho kwangenzake ukuthi ke ngibukeke noma ngibhekeke umsolo wesibili, ngisho ke ukuthi kodwa ke lo muntu lona oshiwoyo ke noma ochazwayo lana ufana naye ke nanoma ke ngeke ngisho ngesiqiniseko kodwa ngendlela achazwa noma ashiwo ngayo ufana naye. Ingaba wakusho yini lokho kuwena? Cha Nkosi yenkantolo.
Then the other parts of the evidence of Zungu. General, you told this court that Constable Zungu told you that he got the information that he was relating to you around March 2019 from Gwabeni. You confirm that?
Yes, my lord.
Uyaqinisekisa yini ke General ukuthi lokhu uZungu akutshela kona washo kuwena ukuthi ke wakuthola kuGwabeni? Yebo Nkosi yenkantolo.
Then on page 39, General, of the proceedings of the 7th of September 2023, at line 1, Mr. Baloyi, yes, is it correct you had a discussion with Gwabeni, but do not refer to the content of the discussion, Mr. Zungu? Okay, Mr. Baloyi, yes, you had a discussion with Gwabeni. What happened thereafter, Mr. Zungu? It was just a discussion, nothing much. Do you understand this, General?
Yes, my lord.
Lana ke ku page 39 ifundeka ngalendlela umnumzana uBaloyi. Yebo. Kuyiqiniso yini ukuthi ke waba nokuxoxisana ke kanye naye uGwabeni kodwa ke awukhulumi ngokuthi ke yini udaba ke onanudingida umnumzana uZungu? Okay. Umnumzana uBaloyi, yebo. Wawunoxoxisana noma ukhulumisana naye uGwabeni. Kwenzekani ke kamuva? Uxoxa nje kuphela, akukho kunye. Ingabe uyakuzwa lokhu General? Yebo ngakuzwa.
At page 39 of the proceedings of the 7th, the same date, the 7th of September 2023, Mr. Zungu, then in 2018, okay, and amongst the people that I was with at the hostel on that day, one by one with them saying, do you remember? Mr. Baloyi, yes, you may not refer to hearsay evidence. What happened in 2018, Mr. Zungu? In 2018, Mr. Balawi, you had a discussion with some of the people who were present. Mr. Zungu, almost at the end of 2018, okay, I had now this information, my lord, that these suspects that are now being suspected of having done this are the very same people that I was with on that day at the hostel. Did he tell you this, General?
No, my lord.
Kuyaqhubeka ke lana ukuthi ke ngo-2018 usho ke uZungu ufakazi kwaZungu ngo-2018 phakathi ke kwabantu enganginabo ehostel ngalelo langa lelo uma ngibasho ke ngamunye ukusho ukuthi uyakhumbula advocate uBaloyi ungakhulumi ke ngenzwa bethi kwenzekani ngo-2018 wawunokhulumisana ke noma ke uqoqa ke nabanye babantu ababekhona uZungu ngathi nje uma sekuya ke emaphethelweni akhe ke u2018 manje ke nganginalo lwazi enganginalo Nkosi enkantolo ukuthi laba abasolwa laba manje ekuyibona ke abasolwa ngokuthi bakwenza lokhu abantu enganginabo ngalelo langa lelo ehostel. Ingaba wakutshela yini lokhu? Cha, Nkosi enkantolo.
He also says, General, that at that time you were the cluster commander. Is it correct?
Yes, my lord. 2018.
Ushilo ukuthi ngaleso sikhathi leso wawuyi cluster commander. Yebo Nkosi enkantolo ngo-2018.
At page 41, General, on the same date, the 7th of September 2023, Mr. Baloyi, that is line 3. Mr. Baloyi, you say you spoke to General Shabana. He was your cluster commander. And then what happened? Do you remember when you spoke to him? If I remember, Mr. Zungu, if I remember well, I think it was the end of 2018, 2019, because he said to me that he will do that work, that he will look into what I was telling him about. Do you understand that, General?
Yes, my lord.
Yaqhubeka ke lana ku page 41 advocate uBaloyi uthi ke wakhuluma no General Leshabane kwakuyi cluster commander yakho kwenzekani ngabe uyakhumbula yini uma ukhuluma naye uZungu? Uma ngikhumbula kahle ngicabanga ukuthi ke kwakuya ke ekupheleni kwakhe u2018 2019 ngoba ke wathi kumina ke uzowenza loyo msebenzi nokuthi ke uzobheka lokho engangimtshela ngako. Uyakuzwa yini lokho General? Yebo ngiyakuzwa.
So your evidence, General, is to the effect that when you met Constable Zungu, it was around March of 2019.
Yes, my lord.
Ubufakazi bakho ke General buthi ke uma uhlangana naye ke uConstable Zungu kwakungo March ka2019. Yebo Nkosi enkantolo.
Could it have been towards the end of 2018, 2019, General, when you met him?
No, it was in 2019, my lord.
Kungenzeka yini ke ukuthi ke kwakuya ke noma ke emaphethelweni ke akhe u2018? Cha, kwakungo 2019 Nkosi enkantolo.
And he never told me about that information he's talking about, my lord.
And futhi ke akaze angitshele ngako lokhu akhuluma ngako la Nkosi enkantolo.
Mr. Baloyi, yes, what did you tell him, Mr. Zungu? I told him that I was disturbed about this matter because a lot of people are saying that I was also at the hostel. Did he tell you this, General?
No, my lord.
uZungu uyabuza ke advocate uBaloyi yini ke owamtshela yona? Ngamtshela ukuthi ke ngangiphatheke kabi ke noma ke kungihlupha ke lo daba lolu ke ngoba abantu abaningi babethi ke nami ngangise hostel. Ingaba wakutshela yini lokho? Cha Nkosi enkantolo.
Mr. Baloyi, yes, Mr. Zungu. He then informed me that he himself will then conduct his investigation and thereafter will come back and inform me, but I did not tell him that I was at the hostel. The reason why I did not inform him that I was at the hostel, that I did not want to give him this information, that it was coming from me, and also did not have any certainty with regards to that. Did he tell you this, General?
No, my lord. The first time when he met me, he told me about the Wabin information and nothing else.
Kuyaqhubeka ke lana uthi ke advocate uBaloyi yebo Wase engitshela ke uZungu ke manje ophendulayo wase ngitshela ke ukuthi yena ke uzozenzela ke olwakhe uphenyo emuva kwalokho ke uzobuyela kumina ke ase angitshele ke kodwa ke angizange ngimtshele ukuthi ngangise hostel. Isizathu sokuthi ke ngingamtsheli ukuthi ngangise hostel ingoba ke ngangingafisi ukuthi ke ngimnike noma ngafuni ukuthi ke ngimnike ke lo lwazi phecelezi ke le information ukuthi ke yayiqhamuka kumina nokuthi futhi ke ngangenaso isiqiniseko mayela naloko. Ingaba wakutshela yini lokho? Cha, angitshela kona ke mina angitshela kona mina ilokho ke awayikhuluma ngako mayelana noGwabeni hayi okunye.
On page 43 of the same date, the 7th of September 2023, at line 4, Mr. Zungu, if I could just recollect and set of how it happened. In 2018, General, when General Leshabane had told me that we should not proceed about this conversation anymore, I then went to the SAPS head office, Telkom Towers. I spoke to Brigadier Gininda. At the time, it was Kenneth Gininda. Do you know anything about this, General?
No, my lord. What I know is about 2019, when I informed the National Commissioner. The National Commissioner called Gininda, not 2018.
Iyaqhubeka ke lana ku page 43 uZungu ke uthi uma ngikhumbula kahle ke ngisho futhi ke ukuthi ke kwenzeka kanjani ngo2018 lesikhathi ke uGeneral Leshabane engitshela ke ukuthi asingasaqhubeki ke ngayo lenkulumo lena singaphinde sikhulume ngayo ke ngase ngikhuluma ke ngahamba ke ngaya ke head office Telkom Towers ila engakhuluma khona no Brigadier Gininda. Ngaleso sikhathi leso ke kwaku Colonel Gininda. Ingaba wakutshela yini ngaloku? Cha, ngosenkantolo okwenzeka ke ukuthi ke mina ke baba mina ke owaye waxhumana ke no National Commissioner kwakungo 2019 kungasiyona u2018.
On page 43 on the same date, the 7th of September 2023, at line 22, Mr. Zungu, then towards the end of the year, it was 11th of November 2019, I received a call from General Leshabane informing me that Colonel Gininda would like to see me. A meeting was set out for him to see me, but it did not happen. It proceeds on page 44. On the day, he saw me on the different dates. Do you know this, General?
I know that one, my lord, because Gininda phoned me to say you want to talk to Zungu.
Ngiyaqhubeka ke lana ke ku page 43 uZungu kwase kuthi ke uma unyaka usuzophela ke kwakunge 11 kaNovember 2019 ngathola ucingo olwalubuya kuGeneral Leshabane engitshela ke ukuthi ke uKolonel Gininda ufisa ukungibona. Umhlangano wahlelwa ke kodwa ke akuzange kwenzeke ngalelo langa lelo, wangibona ke ngelinye ilanga. Ingabe uyakwazi yini lokho General? Yebo ngiyakwazi ngoba ke uGeneral uBrigadier Gininda waxhumana nami.
But did you phone him on that day? He says you phoned him on the 11th of November 2019.
I cannot remember the date, but what I know is that once Gininda phoned me, I passed the message to him. I did phone him to say, Gininda want to talk to you.
Kodwa ke lana uthi wamfonela wena ke ngabe wamfonela yini ngalelo langa lelo? I-date ke angiyikhumbuli kodwa uGininda wafonela mina ngadlulisa umyalezo kuyena ke uZungu ngaxhumana naye uZungu ngimtshela ngalokho.
On page 44, on the same date, the 7th of September 2023, Mr. Baloyi, yeah, on which date did he see you, Mr. Zungu? I think it was on the 13th of November, Mr. Baloyi, yes. Who saw you on the 13th of November, Mr. Zungu, Brigadier Gininda? So, after, do you know, General, if the first meeting failed and there was a second meeting which was arranged, do you know that or you don't know?
No, I know that later on he met him. Gininda, he met Zungu.
Lana ke uyaqhubeka ke umnumzana Baloyi uyabuza yebo ke yiliphi ke ilanga anama i-date akubona ngayo uZungu ngicabanga ukuthi kwakunge 13 kaNovember. Mr. Baloyi yebo. Ubani owakubona nge-13 kaNovember uZungu uBrigadier Gininda. Buzo ke uthi ngabe General uyazi ke ukuthi nanjengoba lo umhlangano woqala ungazange ke uqhubeke ukuthi kunomunye yini umhlangano wahlelwa. Yebo engikwaziyo ukuthi ke kamuva ke wahlangana naye uBrigadier Gininda wambona.
General, do you know what were the outcome of that meeting?
My lord, they never informed me what was the outcome, but by that time I had also good relation with Gininda because he was from head office, but they did not tell me what happened.
Ingabe uyazi ukuthi umphumela noma imiphumela yaleyo mhlangano kwaba yini? Cha angazi abazange bangitshele. Engakusho ke inkosi enkantolo ukuthi nje ngaleso sikhathi leso ke ubudlelwane ke phakathi kwami noGininda babubuhleke kuba uGininda wayebuya ke noma leqhamuka ke ehead office kodwa akabazange bangitshele ukuthi ke umphumela womhlangano wawuthini.
On page 44, on the same date, the 7th of September 2023, this is what Constable Zungu, when asked by my learned colleague Advocate Maloyi, said. 9/11, yeah, but what was the discussion at that meeting with Brigadier Gininda on the 13th of November 2019? Mr. Zungu, he asked me, what do you know about the killing of Meyiwa? Mr. Maloyi, yes. Mr. Zungu, I told him that I know nothing and there is nothing that I can talk about. So it is the first time, General, as I'm reading this passage, for you to know the outcome of the meeting between Brigadier Gininda and Constable Zungu.
No, I'm shocked.
Uyaqhubeka ke lana kufundeka ngalendlela lana ke uadvocate Baloyi yebo ke kodwa ke yini eyayidingidwa noma ke eyayikhulunywa kuloyo mhlangano loyo noBrigadier Gininda ngazo i13 kuNovember 2019 uZungu wangibuza ukuthi ngazini ngokubulawa kaMeyiwa. Advocate Baloyi yebo. uZungu ngamtshela ukuthi angazi lutho nokuthi ke futhi akukho engingakhuluma ngako. Ingabe ke General manje ke kungokuqala ke wazi umphumela noma imiphumela yaleyo mhlangano loyo ke wange-13 kaNovember 2019 kuyangimangaza noma ngithukileke noma ke kuyangimangaza.
Why, my lord, is because by 19 there at March already, he told me that Gwabini told him that no, he knows about what happened there. So if November he come to with Zungu and Gwabini, I mean sorry for Gininda, he says he know nothing. It's a shock for me.
Ngoba ke okwenzekayo lana ukuthi ke ngoMarch wakhe ke u2019 mina ke awangitshela kona ethi ke kwaqhamuka kuGwabini ukuthi ke uyazi ke ukuthi kwakuko noma ke kwenzekani noma wobani ke ababandakanyeka. Manje ke ngoNovember ka2019 uma esehlangana noGininda ethi cha yena akazi lutho ke lokho ke manje sekuyinto ke manje engithusayo mina.
And then it's misleading the court, my lord.
Okusho ukuthi ke manje usekhohlisa inkantolo.
And then on page 47 of the same date, the 7th of September 2023, Mr. Zungu, that is at line 13, Mr. Zungu, I then said to him that I spoke to him telephonically. I said to him, Muzi, why is it that your relative wants to shoot me? Mr. Maloyi, yes, but Mr. Zungu, because I also do not know anything about this matter, and I did not know anything. Did he tell you about this, General?
No, my lord, I'm also shocked.
Kuyaqhubeka ke kule page u47 uZungu ngase ngimtshela ke ukuthi ke ngakhuluma naye ke ngocingo ngathi kuyena Muzi kungani abakini noma ke abomndeni wakho befuna ukungidubula. Yaqhubeka ke futhi uZungu ngoba ke angazi lutho noma akunalutho engilaziyo ngalo daba lolu. Akukho futhi engangikwazi ingaba wakusho yini lokhu cha Nkosi enkantolo kuyangithusa nako ke.
General, did you know Brigadier Tony?
I don't know him, my lord.
Ingabe wamazi yini uBrigadier Tony? Angimazi Nkosi enkantolo.
I'm sorry, General, I'm told that is Brigadier Peruman. Tony Peruman.
I don't know him, my lord.
Tony Peruman cha angimazi Nkosi enkantolo.
There was another meeting, General, to inform you between Constable Zungu, Brigadier Gininda, and Brigadier Tony Peruman, where Zungu, that is Constable Zungu, refuted. He told them that he knew nothing about this case. Do you understand that?
Yes, my lord.
Kwakunomunye umhlangano ke kwakuno Constable Zungu lapho uBrigadier Gininda noBrigadier Tony Peruman la abatshela khona ke uZungu ukuthi ke akazi lutho ngalo daba lolu. Yebo ngiyakuzwa.
So,
My lord, I want to say that even the National Commission, in that space of March, April 2019, he was aware that he contacted Zungu Zungu told me exactly what he told him to say, that Guabini told him that certain boys, they were involved. So if that time, and then he says to the brigadier and Gminder saying no, nothing, he is misleading the court.
Okunye futhi engakutshela inkantolo ukuthi ke naye ke uNational Commissioner naye ke waxhumana naye ke uZungu nokuthi futhi ke lokho akushoke lapho kumina wakushoke nakuyena ukuthi ke kunabafana thizeni ke ababe imbandakanyeka ke lapho ukuthi manje ke ngoNovember useyohlangana noBrigadier Geninda kanye naye ke uBrigadier Omshoyo abesikubona sibe sethi kubona ke akazi lutho lokho ke kuyangithusayo.
Brigadier Geninda, sorry, General. The arrest of accused number 1, Muzi Sibiya, was through the information that you were following, which information was given to you by Constable Zungu. Is that correct?
Guabini, Zungu told me that General Lishaba, my relative Guabini, told me that Muzi and Ntanzi, they were involved in the shooting of Senzo Mayiwa.
General, ukuboshwa kuka Muzi noma ke ukumoshwa kuka Msola wokuqala uMuzi Sibiya lokho ke kusemuva ke kokuthi ke wathola ke umbiko kuyena ke uConstable Zungu. Okwenzeka ke lapho ukuthi ke uConstable Zungu wathi kumina ke General uGwabeni yilokhu angitshela kona ke ukuthi uMuzi Sibiya kanye noNtanzi bandakanyeka ke ekudutshulweni nemibulaweni kwakhe uMeyiwa. Yes.
And he further told me that General Lishaba, there is no way you can solve this case except these two people, because these people, they are our relatives and I cannot lie.
Wase ethi kumina ke General ayikho nje indlela ongathi ke uqadule ngalo ke icala leli ke ngaphandle kwalabantu laba ababili futhi ke angeke ngiqambela amanga ngoba ke labantu laba bawumndeni mina.
And I believed him.
Ngamkholwa.
That's why I followed the firearm issue at KZN and also at Tembisa, where they said he was having a firearm.
Ingakho ke ngalandelela ke udaba lolu lwesibhamu eKZN kanye futhi ke nase eThembisa ngoba ke yiloko kwakushiwo ke ukuthi ke isibhamu unaso kuyena.
And they only found drugs, that's why he was arrested, not with this case of Senzo Mayiwa, but for the drugs.
Base bethola kuphela ke idakamizwa abatholanga ke isibhamu noma kwangasilona ke icala leli lika Senzo Mayiwa kodwa kwakuyidakamizwa.
Concentrating or concerned about the Tembisa, you remember the Tembisa issue?
I'm talking about that one. He was arrested when we were searching him. We were searching the firearm.
Ngikhuluma ngalo udaba lolu laseThembisa ngesikhathi ke simsesha sasimseshela sona isibhamu.
So that it can be linked with the information given by Zungu.
Ukuze ke kuzohlanganiswa ne information ke le esayinikezwa uZungu.
So the issue general of a firearm being in Tembisa, who came with that information?
It's Zungu, my lord.
Udaba ke lokuthi ke isibhamu sasisethembisa ubani ke owakusho lokho kwakuuZungu ngosenkantolo.
He said wherever he is, he's having a firearm in his position, we can't miss it.
Wathi ke nanoma ikuphi la akhona ke unesibhamu angeke ke nje singatholakali noma singabi khona.
That's why I instructed a team to go and trace him.
Ingakho ke ngase ngiyalela ke ithimba ukuthi ke alihambe ke liyomthola.
You said, General, that in your vehicle, a Mercedes, there was Constable Zungu and 2 other members.
Yes, my lord.
Ingabe uthe emotweni yakho iMercedes kwakuno Constable Zungu kanye futhi namanye amalungu amabili amaphoyisa yebo ngosenkantolo.
Surely, General, Zungu knew that Muzi Sibiya was arrested on that day. Would that be
Yes,
correct?
it's the one I was with him.
Nesiqiniseko ke uZungu uyazi ke noma wayazi ukuthi ke uMuzi Sibiya waboshwa ngelo langa yebo wayekwazi lokho ngoba ngangihamba naye ngalelo langa lelo.
He pointed the suspect before me and the other policemen there.
Uyena owakhomba umsolwa phambi kwami kanye futhi namanye amaphoyisa amabili ayekhona lapho.
page 57, on the same date, the 7th of September 2023, at line 22, Mr. Zungu, I remember there was an incident where...
Just a moment. Still getting there.
Sorry, Mr. Chairman.
Yes,
Page 57,
Yes.
at line 22 of the same date, the 7th of September 2023, Mr. Zungu, I remember there was an incident where it was said that Muzi had been arrested. Mr. Baloyi, yes, who is Muzi? Accused number 1. I'll proceed at page 58 on the same date, the 7th of September 2023. Mr. Baloyi, yes. Mr. Zungu, again, his relatives came or arrived. They came to the police station. They asked me about something different, that they were asking me about Muzi, about his arrest. I knew nothing as to why he was arrested, Mr. Baloyi. Was he arrested in connection with this case? No. Mr. Zungu, no. Mr. Baloyi, yes. And when was it more or less? Mr. Zungu, I think it was in June. Mr. Baloyi, which year? Mr. Zungu, the same year, 2019. Do you understand this?
Yes, my lord.
Qhubeka-ke lana ubufakazi bakhe-ke uConstable Zungu ku page 57. Ngiyakhumbula-ke ukuthi-ke kwakunesigameko la khona-ke kwakushiwo khona-ke ukuthi-ke uMuzi waboshwa. Kuyaqhubeka-ke ku page 58. Futhi noma-ke futhi abomndeni wakibo noma-ke ihlobo zakhe-ke beza noma bafika beza-ke e-police station babebuza-ke mayelana nodaba oluhlukile, babebuza-ke mayelana nokuboshwa kukaMuzi. Ngangingazi lutho-ke ukuthi wayeboshelweni noma waboshelwani u-Advocate uBaloyi. Ingaba wayeboshelwe lona icala leli uZungu? Cha. U-Advocate uBaloyi, yebo. Kwakunini-ke ngicabanga ukuthi-ke kwakungoJune. Muphi unyaka? Lowo nyaka lowo u-2019. Yebo, ngiyabuzwa.
So, General, can you remember when it was in 2019 when Muzi was arrested?
It must be March, April, not June, because I remember the case was at 217 of 3, if I'm not mistaken. It must be March.
Ingabe uyakhumbula-ke ukuthi kwakunini-ke ukuboshwa kwakhe-ke uMuzi ngalonyaka 2019, ngicabanga ukuthi phakathi-ke kwakhe uMarch no-April, ngoba ngicabangayo ukuthi-ke i-case number kwaku-217 ka-3.
Yeah.
Yes.
And he was aware that Muzi was arrested because we were with him. He didn't hear from any other person.
Wayekwazi-ke lokho ukuthi-ke uMuzi wayeboshiwe ngoba sasihamba naye, akusiyona-ke into ayizwa ngomunye umuntu noma komunye umuntu.
Thank you, General. That was the crux of the question. We have given you the correct answer. Did you at some point, General, told Constable Zungu that you should drop this?
My lord, it's a joke. How can I say the case which I'm so serious about it and say you must drop this? It's the one who came to me and I'm giving full support. Also with Gininda, I give them full support. But on earth, there's a general can say drop this. For what purpose?
Ingabe kuyiqiniso yini ke General ukuthi ke kunesikhathi la khona owatshela uZungu ke ukuthi ke dedela udaba lolu ke kuyihlaya ke lokho ngoba ke uyena oweza kumina eza ke nawo ke umbiko lona manje ke mina ke sewugeneral ngamnikeza noma ke ngamesekela ke naye uGininda ngamesekela futhi phinde futhi kube yimina ke othi cha asingaqhubeki ke nalokho.
At page 62, General, of the same date, the 7th of September 2023, at line 11, Mr. Zungu, he said that it was a problem, and when someone now, I'm sorry, my God, it's not that discussion. At page 42, line 13, 18, I'm sorry, page 42, line 18. Mr. Page 42, line 18, on the same date, the 7th of September 2023, at line 18, Mr. Zungu, the general then informed me that let us drop this matter or this talk and not mention it again.
My Lord, it's a joke. In 2018 also, I never spoke to Zungu about this case. And even in 2019, I only talked to him about the issue of Kwabini and nothing about this one. And I will never, a normal person who is a police officer, senior officer, can never say that. But here, he is busy misleading the court.
Lana ke kufundeka ngalendlela ugeneral wasengitshela ke ukuthi ke asiyeke ke lo daba lo singaphinde ke sikhulume ngalo noma ke nje sudingide udaba lolu ke kuyihlaya inkosi yenkantolo ngo2018 angaze nje ngikhulume naye ke uZungu futhi ke nango 2019 ngesikhathi sikhuluma ke basikhuluma ke ngodaba lolu olwaluhlanganisa ke uGwabini ukuthi ke umuntu ke okuyisikhundla engikusona ke oyiphoyisa ukuthi ke akusho ke lokhu inkosi yenkantolo akusiyona nje into ke ekuyilona noma ekuyiqiniso.
My Lord, further on, how can I send a car to KZN and he came back with nothing? And again, I assembled a team to trace the suspect, no firearm, but still say, okay, the case can be dropped. I cannot say that, my Lord.
Okunye futhi ke inkosi yenkantolo kwenzeka kanjani ke ukuthi ke kudedele imoto ukuthi iphumeke iye eKZN kuyobhekwa ke isibhamu lesi ukuthi siyatholakala yini bese futhi ke kudedela ithimba ukuthi alihambe ke liyofuna noma ke liyothungatha umsolwa bese emva kwalokho ke ngithi cha icala leli noma udaba lolu akungaphinde nje kukhulunywe ngalo.
My Lord, finally I want to say I'm here for justice to happen, and also on the family matter of Senzo Meiwa. So I'm here that the justice must prevail and nothing else, and not for the defense.
Okugcina ngifuna nje ukuthi ke ngitshela inkantolo ukuthi ke ukuthi ngibe khona lana ngilana ukuthi ke akwenziwe ubulungiswa angikho lana ukuthi ke ngizokhulumela abameli kodwa ke futhi ke ngilana na ngizele nawona ke umndeni wakhe uSenzo Meiwa futhi kwenziwe ubulungiswa.
Lord, my Lord, I cannot allow a constable to mislead the court in my presence.
Angeke ke ngivumele uconstable ukuthi ke akhohliseke inkantolo ngikhona.
Thank you, General. We'll put aside the record. My Lord, I intend to move to another aspect of my questions. I see it is almost time for a long adjournment. I don't want to interrupt the General once I'm asking questions. May we adjourn for lunch at this stage? Thank you.
Okay, thanks. Yeah.